In this video, I am going to go over a few gratitude apps, but before we get into that, I want to emphasize the importance of adding a gratitude practice to your life on a daily basis, or at least on a regular basis. It is the fastest way to get into the state of presence, and that's the state you want to be in if you want to attract the best version of your life, or at least declutter your mind or get some insights. Most importantly, to remember who you really are, but that's a whole different conversation. Thing is, you can't be in appreciation mode or anger, stress at the exact same moment. So that's why it's really crucial for you to develop a habit of finding things to be grateful for. That is the quickest way out of holding on to so much baggage. And the thing is, it doesn't even have to be grandiose things. So I'll show some examples on the app. So please, if you want to get off the hamster wheel of chronically worrying, stressing, find things in your life to be grateful for right now. And a good thing about doing it in the apps is that you can set reminders for yourself. So it'll ding you every day. All right, so let's check out the app Gratitude. So it immediately brings you to your timeline here. So for example, click on the plus button. You can do one for today. So I am so happy and grateful for what? Waking up, having something to eat, looking out to a nice view. Like, it doesn't have to be, like I mentioned, the grandiose things. Look for the little things. And this can add up. Having a chair to sit on. Let's just click check. So that's, at the bottom, if you click affirmations, this is where you can read your own affirmations, or they do have automated ones. Daily Zen, this is where you can see the quote of the day. You can turn on a reminder at the top. Resources, you can read or go through these to get more answers on the how-tos, how to start gratitude journaling, how to use the gratitude app, etc. Top left with the lines, that is your settings. And that's this app. It's pretty simple to use. Let's go to the other app, also called Gratitude. Here it immediately brings you to today. You could, nope, you can't write there. Edit, click on the screen, and you can write, let's see, what am I grateful for? Being healthy. You can choose to put photos up there. I won't for now. Let's just add another one. Having a phone to do this. Okay, click done. And on the bottom here, you can change the background, which I like because I'm a very visual person. And then it will start your timeline here. Bottom right settings, you can set a passcode, change your font, etc. Let's go back to the gratitude section here. At the top left, you'll see quote. You can see the day of the quote. So this one seems easy enough. So let's go over Happyfeed. Nope, open it. So it brings you to what you want to submit immediately. So let's go plus sign. What are you thankful for? Let's put for having a car. They ask you for another one. What's something that went well today? I did a workout. One more. Let me see. It is not snowing yet. Although I'm sure there are people that want it so they can go skiing, but that's me. All right. So on the bottom right, This is where you would go to your settings and set your reminders. To the left of that, you can join private groups called pods. Left of that, this is my submissions from yesterday and today. And left of that is where we started. So this one is also a very simple app. Next, we're going to go into 365 Gratitude. I really like this one for what they offer. So when you first enter, you go through, I guess, the home page, and they give you a little bit of a story, a narrative, and towards the end, they give you reflections. And it is a great reminder to be grateful. That's what their intentions are of that short story. To the right of that, you get a variety of material here. So you have courses, you have thank you cards that you can send to someone, 5-minute journals, and these 5-minute journals do have different themes. For example, let's go to Good at Heart. Here is, again, it's a story, and towards the end, you will have a prompt. That I really like. You have games, meditation. So this app is not only a gratitude journal, it's, well, reflective and meditations and courses, which is awesome. This will take you to the community. It's kind of like a timeline. You see what everybody else in the community is up to. To the right of that is, you can get more prompts, which is cool if you run out of yours. So for example, you want to press the plus sign at the bottom right. You can pick a prompt and the theme of the prompt. Let's go pick success, and there is the prompt. So that's cool if you have trouble creating your own, and sometimes that does happen. To the right of that, you have your settings. So you can create password, your reminders, etc. And mood trackers. So that is 365 Gratitude. This one I think is a really awesome one to check out. Lastly, let us go check the app 3 Good Things. The bottom left is the calendar. Then you got your history. To the right of that is journal. So this is where you can start typing. So what went well today? I ate a healthy breakfast. Okay, do a second one. I did stairs. Third one, I have a full tank of gas. And that's my streak. Profile, this is where you can see your stats, and finally to the right of that you have your settings, so you can do your daily reminder. So this one is also a fairly simple one to use. So that's an example of doing gratitude lists. I highly recommend doing it every morning or in the evening, and please do like and subscribe to my channel if well-being is your jam.